Hey fam bam, it's Irene with Boop and Budgets. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Thank you for stopping by and gifting me with your beautiful precious time. I truly appreciate it. And I wanted to go over my June it's the middle of the year and I feel like this is a good time to go over my sinking funds update. I didn't do one in May and I'm not sure if I did one in April. I can't remember. But I'm just gonna kind of go through my sinking funds, total it up to see where we're at, and then we can see what we've saved from January through now, and then we can go from there. I am planning on saving $20,000 this year, so we'll see if we can do that. We have a lot of things that we want to do with the house, so let's see where we're at. And then I also wanted to start saving money for a car. I did start doing that back in 2024, but I ended up just throwing it all in the bank. And yeah, so anyway, let me go ahead and start off with my Betty Boop binder and see what we're working with. So I hope everyone's doing great. Let's see here. We had beginning of June, we had 500, we added 300. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 87. Oops, I'm throwing money. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 800. All right, we ended with 800. We haven't used anything out of abundance yet, so that's good. So we didn't spend anything and we end with 800. All right. Annual bills, I did spend 100 for my 120 for Canva and then 96 for DoorDash. I do DoorDash for everything, even if it's just like sometimes if I need like something real quick for dinner, like from the grocery store or whatever, I do DoorDash. So I paid 96, but I took out 100 even, just so it could be even numbers. So let's see how much we have. Well, we started with 1175 and then we added 250, so that's 1425. So I took out 220, so we should have 1205 left over. So let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 40, 5, 50, 12, and 05. 1205. Okay. So that is 1205. All right, and then birthdays. Let's go ahead and take out the money for birthdays. And these bills are all messed up. Let's see. These are all out of order. And I probably did that because of the 50, but let's just see. So we started with 260 and then we added 300. So that's 560. So 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 90, 410, 30, 50, 60. Oh my gosh. No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 50, 60. So 560, which is correct. All right, let's put this in here. All right, for car, we started the month with 555 and we added 175, so that's 730. We haven't spent anything out of this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 97, 10, 20, and 30. 730 for car. So nothing spent. 730. All right, Christmas. I haven't started any Christmas shopping yet. I normally start like around August, September-ish. So we started with 5, we added 2, so we should have 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 70, 90. Nope. These 50s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700. All right, so that's 700. If you hear that yelling in the background, my neighbor has a gym, boxing gym in his backyard, and he trains people back there. So that's what you hear, all the yelling and grunting. All right, so for clothes we had 190, and when we added 150, that's 340. So 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 20, 30, and 40. And that's for clothes. I still need to I need to take some out for my bill that comes out in July. So all right, so for Costco we had 350 and we added 150, so we should have 500. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 500. 500 for Costco. All right, next we have health. So for health, we started with 350. No, sorry. That's Costco still, so 500. Health, we started with 620 and we added 400. So we should have $1,020. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,020. $1,020. All right, for household, we had 770, and we added 600, but we used just 660, so we should have 710 left over. Hold on, guys. All right, so I read that. I had to go see what Jack was barking at. Okay, so I should have 710 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 97, 5, and 10. 710. All right. That is for household. So let me close this up. I definitely have to do a condensing and bill prop swap, because there's just too much in there. Okay, so that is correct. 710. All right, for Jack, let's see what we have for Jack. Okay, for Jack, we started with 620, and then we added 400, and then we took out 30, so 990 we should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 97, 50, 60, 70, 80, 98, 10, 20, 30, 40. No. Messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 97, 50, 60, 70, 80, 98, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 990. Okay. That is correct. 990 for Jack. Okay. 990. All right, now for kids, We started with 840 and we added 300, so we should have 1140 in kids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, and 40. 1140. Now for parents, let me see. We started with 250 and we added 200, so we should have 450 in here. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 94, 20, 30, 40, and 50. 450. Okay. Alright, now for Roth. For Roth, we started with 1,000, we added 200, so we should have 1,200. So we have 5, 6, 7, 800 in the bank, 9, 10, 11, and then 1,200 for Roth. Okay. All right, for taxes, let's see. We started with 500 and we added 200. Obviously, we haven't spent anything, so we should have 700. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400 in the bank. 5, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700. Okay. Oops. I'm trying to put too much in at the same time. Okay, so 700. Okay, for a vacation, we started with 530 and we added 300, so we should have 830. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, and 30. 830 for vacation. Okay. Okay, now for YouTube, definitely gotta take money out of here. Oops. All right, we started with nothing, we added 150, so we should have 150 in here. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 45, and 50. 150. And this is my cash wallet, and I'm not gonna count that, so it's not part of my sinking fund. So anyway, so let's go ahead and calculate this up to see how much we have been able to save. So okay, 12,025. Okay, 12,025 we're able to save from January through June, and we have 1,200 in the bank. Oh my gosh. That means we have $10,825 in cash. Yeah, I am definitely going to do a condensing and prop swap so I can get all of that money back into the bank so I can accrue interest on it. That is absolutely ridiculous, having that much money here in my safe. So anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. I'm definitely gonna do that. I think I might I might be changing the amounts that I put into my sinking funds every month, because I want to start investing more into like brokerage accounts and really maxing out my my Roth IRA. I have a traditional IRA, I have a Roth IRA, I have another Roth IRA through work, and I have a pension, and I have a 457 through work. So but I want to do some more on my own, just brokerage account. If y'all have not checked out Lisa J Stocks here on YouTube, go check her out. I'm gonna leave her channel link down below. She has awesome content, and she shows you basically what she's done and what she's invested in and how her money has grown. Very, very, very sweet lady. But anyway, so I'll leave her channel down below in the description box. Go check her out and show her some love and support. She's awesome. Very, very sweet lady. Anyway, all right, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time, and if you made it to the end, please leave a money bag. Thanks for watching. Bye.